This page talks about the weather, so I'm going to talk to you about a number of ways to indicate what the weather is like. The general word for weather in Spanish is el tiempo, which does sound a lot like time, but it's one of the cases of a false cognate in Spanish. So we just have to remember to keep that straight. El tiempo means weather. Que tiempo hace means what's the weather like. You can respond in a number of different ways. All the ways below this phrase, que tiempo hace, are ways to respond. So we could say, hace, it is frío, cold, calor, hot, viento, windy, sol, sunny, buen tiempo, good weather, mal tiempo, bad weather, and fresco, brisk. Just remember with these, we have to start with hace to make it a complete sentence and response. You can then respond, hay truenos y relámpagos, there's thunder and lightning. These are some more difficult words to say, so truenos y relámpagos. There's some pretty fun words to say, relámpagos especially. Make sure you hit the accent on the A, but that does mean there's thunder and lightning. Llueve is the verb for it's raining. Nieva, the verb for it's snowing. Then you can say hay, which means there is or are. Nubes, clouds. Granizo, hail. Neblina, misty. Or niebla, foggy.